Are you stuck trading your time for money? Do you feel like you're always racing the clock, working hard but never getting ahead? You love the creative work, the thrill of bringing ideas to life. But there are only 24 hours in a day, and burnout is real. It's a common trap, trading hours for dollars, feeling stuck and exhausted. But you can break free. There's a path to building a sustainable, scalable design business. Today, you'll get a blueprint to scale your business and escape the limits of trading time for money. Ready to break through that ceiling? Keep watching. Let's unlock your full potential together. Before we get going, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips just like this. Join our growing community of design entrepreneurs, people just like you who are ready to level up their business and break free from the time for money trap. We're building something special here, and you don't want to miss out. Hit that subscribe button now, join the conversation in the comments, and let's grow together. Ready? Let's dive in. To build a thriving design business, you need the right clients. It's about quality over quantity. Not just any clients will do. You need clients who value your expertise, respect your process, and are willing to invest in your services. Being selective is key to long-term success and satisfaction. Build a predictable system, a client funnel, to attract, engage, and convert your ideal clients. This funnel guides people seamlessly from discovering you and your work to ultimately hiring you for their projects. It's about creating a clear path for potential clients to follow. Share your expertise and insights where your ideal clients hang out online. Become a valuable resource in their community. LinkedIn, Instagram, Behance. These platforms are powerful tools for showcasing your talent and connecting with potential clients. Your portfolio should tell compelling stories about the problems you've solved and the impact you've made for your clients. Don't just show pretty pictures. Demonstrate the value you bring to the table. Use detailed case studies and quantifiable results to showcase your expertise and build trust. Position yourself as a strategic partner who understands their business goals, not just a pair of hands executing tasks. Offer insights and solutions that go beyond aesthetics. Always include a clear call to action. Make it easy for potential clients to take the next step. Book a call, download a guide, get a quote. Optimize your website and social profiles to attract the right kind of attention and convert visitors into leads. Implement lead capture forms and a system to follow up fast with inquiries. Time is of the essence. Nurture relationships with your existing clients and network. Happy clients return for more work and enthusiastically refer you to their network. Deliver exceptional experiences that exceed expectations, communicate clearly and proactively, and consistently over-deliver on your promises. A strong client funnel creates a self-sustaining loop, generating a consistent flow of high-quality leads who are genuinely interested in your services. This frees you from the constant hunt for new clients, allowing you to be more selective and lets you focus on scaling your business and doing what you love, designing. Stop charging by the hour. It's a practice that can really undervalue your skills and the true impact of your work, because it penalizes your efficiency. The faster and better you become, the less you technically earn under that model. It's counterintuitive, isn't it? Instead, shift to value-based pricing. It's a mindset change, but a crucial one for sustainable growth. Charge for the outcome and the tangible ROI you deliver to your clients. Focus on the results, not just the hours spent. To do this effectively, ask clients upfront about their specific business goals and, most importantly, what success truly looks like for them. Anchor your price to the value you create for their business, not to the amount of time you invest. Offer tiered pricing packages to cater to different needs and budgets. This way, clients have options and feel more in control of their investment. State your price with confidence, knowing the value you bring, and stand firmly by it. If a client genuinely can't afford your services, consider reducing the project scope to fit their budget, but never compromise on your price. Ultimately, this approach allows you to increase your income significantly without working more hours. You can't scale alone. Start by hiring a virtual assistant to handle admin tasks and free up your time. Build a network of creatives, designers, writers, developers for collaboration. Test small projects, pay well, and treat them as partners. Use project management tools like Asana or Trello to keep everyone organized. Document workflows to maintain quality and consistency. Let go of control. Trust your team and shift into a creative director role. Scaling is about multiplying your output through others' talent. Create systems for everything: onboarding proposals, invoicing, and delivery. Use templates and automation tools to save time and ensure consistency. Automate repetitive tasks with accounting software and CRMs. Build a business infrastructure that supports growth. Your brand is your reputation. Be intentional about building it. Position yourself as an expert in a niche to command higher prices. Share your knowledge to build authority and trust. Recap. Build a client funnel price for value. Build a team and systemize. Take one actionable step this week. Don't just dream, do. Join our community for more resources and support. Let's build the future together.